Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to upload or close on Roblox. After new update, interface has changed, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll show you. First of all, tap on this, open a browser on any device you have, and just go to roblox.com. As you can see, just tap on it. It will take you to the home page. If you haven't logged in yet, it will take you to the login page, and once you log in, it will take you to this home page. And once you are here, just tap on this create tab. If this page doesn't open on your browser, you just need to enable desktop mode. On iPhone, iPad, you just need to tap on this double A, and here you can request desktop website. And if you are on Android, you just need to tap on three dot on the Chrome browser and enable the desktop mode. Once you enable it, now you just need to guys go to default experience. Here under the experience section, you just need to go to default experience, which will be named by your username. Just go to it, and inside this you just need to tap on, or you just need to tap on here, and or you may have to go back. So you have to go to this menu again on home page menu and go to this creation. Now if you want to create or upload your shirt or t-shirts or pants, you just need to go to an avatar items, and here you can upload your items. Just tap on upload asset, enter the name, description, and also upload. You have to upload your shirt template, or if you want to create a t-shirt, you just need to upload up a t-shirt print here as an image form, or the image maximum size of the image should be 20 MB, and these are the format which allow to upload on this page. And just tap on this upload button to upload your shirt, pant, or t-shirts. So you can change the type, asset type, like if you want to upload shirt, t-shirt, pants, even you can upload decals, video, audio, everything here. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.